Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a very busy period for us. We are busy searching for a house. Yes, a house. So we've been going to so many agency, trying to get new apartments, and this is the first house that they permitted us to look at the interior. This is a 3K apartment. 3K apartment means 3 rooms, no dining, no living room, just 3 rooms and kitchen. So here, as you can see, is the bathroom of the house. It is quite an old building, and so everything is not looking so wonderful. You can see that even though they renovated the house or they tried to clean up the inside, it is still not giving that like a new house you want to move into. The only beautiful thing I like about this house is, oh my god, the lighting. The house is just getting lights everywhere. And as a YouTuber, I just feel like I would have loved to have a house like this that is bright up this way. Every room is bright, like the toilet, the bathroom, everywhere is just light up. The natural light comes in. Even this is a kitchen, can you imagine? And this is almost late evening that we went here. Imagine going here during the afternoon. It means it will be brighter than this. So also the wardrobe is very small, and we are considering so many things. We want big wardrobe because we have a lot of things. You don't expect us to just keep them outside of the wardrobe. So this house, I like the light up, but then the house is so small. The rooms are small. There is no living room, there is no dining. So at this point in time, I already knew to it that we are not going to take this house. Yes, even though I like the light of the natural light coming in from everywhere, but kind of I just know that no, we are not gonna take this house. Anyway, people, so just enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the view. I'll also show you the balcony. You can see that the balcony, by the time I take you to the balcony, you just realize that it is quite an old house. But then I'm just grateful for the opportunity to have a view of what the interior of the house looks like. So people, enjoy the rest of the video. So people, here is the balcony of the house. This house is actually on the third floor in this building. It's a 5-story building. So this is the balcony. As you can see, again, the balcony is not looking big at all. Everything about the house is just kind of small kitchen, small balcony. The beautiful part of the house is just the light of the natural light coming inside. So this is the sink, very small sink. I mean, compared to where I'm living right now, I have much bigger sink, much bigger kitchen. So the house is having natural light coming in, but then everything inside is kind of small. So at this point in time, like I said initially, I already knew for sure that I am not taking this house. But I'm just enjoying viewing the every corner of the house, just to really ask myself, do you really want this house? At least to consider it because of the natural light coming in. But then when I consider how small the wardrobe is, how small the rooms are, how small the kitchen is, I just said to myself, no, it is not a house that I will live in, 1 month. It's a house that probably I will live in, some few years. So for that reason, I made up my mind. Look at the wardrobe. Oh my God, look at the wardrobe. So tiny, so small. No space at all. I mean, what will I put here? So guys, I just knew at this point that I'm not taking this house.